In this video, I roll Kitsune and I get Cyborg. Hope you guys enjoy this video and make sure to subscribe. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today, as you can see in the bottom, I have rolled Kitsune fruit. Let's go. I'm so excited. This is so good. Here's proof of rolling it. I just dropped it. Alright, I just got the core brain from killing order 11 times. So let's just go to the thing and get Cyborg. Hooray, finally. Oh, there we go. Alright, let's put in the core brain. There you go. And let's go here. Alright, so this is the Cyborg NPC. Oh, dang. I have to go grind some fragments real quick. Let me just do that. Alright, now I have enough fragments to buy Cyborg, so let's buy it. Let's go. This is really expensive for me, but let's do it. Let's go, Cyborg with the little visor thing. Alright, I have enough flowers and money to buy V2, so let's do it. I get more defense against melee sword and gun attacks, and okay, that's pretty cool. We have enough to get V4s, V3, so let's do it. Alright, we did it, we got it, let's go.